Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the scene so modeling stays fast and accurate. Import front and side reference images, align them on orthographic planes, and set your units to match the final output. Next, open the modeler workspace and enable snapping and grid to keep proportions consistent. Once done, create a simple base mesh primitive, cube or sphere, so you can block form quickly. This early structure saves time and avoids rework later. Now you move from blocks to believable shapes by refining topology and adding loops. Start with low-poly primitives placed against your references and push vertices to match contours. Use symmetry to mirror edits and save effort. Then, add edge loops to sharpen creases and smooth areas where detail is needed. Keep density only where it matters. Use sculpt like inflate or push for organic curvature, and apologize if the mesh becomes messy. Make sure to check silhouettes from multiple angles as you go. To finish, finalize the mesh and prepare it for texturing and export. Unwrap UVs and pack islands efficiently, then bake normals and ambient occlusion to capture surface detail. Export as FBX or OBJ with transforms applied and check compatibility settings for your target. If you hit problems, first inspect normals and fix any flipped faces, then look for non-manifold geometry or zero-scale transforms. If textures appear wrong, rebake with proper smoothing groups. These quick checks resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.